All right, in this video, I'm going to be going over if I needed to make 10K a month from YouTube again, I would do this. Let's get started. So obviously we're going to create our YouTube channel. If you don't already have a YouTube channel, you're going to create a YouTube channel. It's free. If you have a Gmail account, which pretty much everybody has one of those, that's free as well. You're going to go and create your YouTube channel, right? And just call it something about digital marketing or just your name. And you're going to create your channel, okay? So you're also going to go and find products on Warrior Plus and JVZoo to promote. I'm going to show you that. I'll show you the real income right here. I'm at almost $3,300 in affiliate commissions. And you can actually hover over and it'll tell you vendor sales. I've made $45. That's it. So this is literally 99% affiliate marketing sales right here. We see $500 last 7 days, yesterday, 159. And this is just Warrior Plus, right? We have JVZoo we can look at as well. I can go log into JVZoo just to show you the dashboard over there as well. And this is my dashboard over here. And you can see we had $156 there, 32 there, then 85. And it just keeps going. Like we make money on a daily basis with this account as well. We go over here and go into the affiliate dashboard. We can look at the last 30 days for fun. Let's go and we'll just look at last month. So you can see last month we had $1,700 right there as well. And really with this $10,000, I have an income dashboard right over here, which is super cool. You can see there's the money that we have right now accumulated today so far in our business. Yesterday, we had a really nice day, $667. And you can see if I hover over here, you'll see that there's Gmail. This is uniquely created. I vibe coded this and created it. I've connected with my accounts. It actually searches for commissions coming in and everything. So Gmail, that would be all of your encompassing JVZoo and Warrior Plus sales for $338. And then we had another affiliate marketing network called Impact, where I sell software. I made $91 yesterday. And then we have school. I have a school community. And then we had a sponsorship. Someone paid me $197 to create a video for them as well. So we had a nice day yesterday as well. And you can see last 30 days, $9,000 right there, close enough to $10,000. Usually make over $10,000. It's been a little bit of a slow month, but still we're, really close to that $10,000 mark right there and so forth. So we're going to come through over here and show you now. But before I go out and show you the exact strategy and how we're going to find a good product right there, I also want to go and if you remember to go watch my last video. I showed you a product that I promoted, right? And we're going to go in here to stats and I'm going to go in here to last 7 days. And we had this cozy co-author, right? And when my video from a couple of days ago, I think it was on Monday, I launched and did basically an affiliate promotion. And that's what we're talking about, affiliate marketing, right? So I did an affiliate promotion or in a kind of another way of specifically calling it a launch jacking method, where a product is coming out, a lot of emails and traffic are going to be built around that particular product. And so you're going to go out and you're going to create a review video. You're going to send an email out to your list if you have one, and you're going to go out and try to hop on this launch and create bonuses and make money from the launch, right? And so I had like an 8% conversion rate. I only had $100 from selling this right here. And I usually can top these, at least get in the top 10 on even big launches. But in this case, I was just way down. I was like ranked number 25. And that is, I'll pull that up as well so you guys can see what it looks like. Let me pull this up real quick. So I'll pull this up over here. So this is like a launch contest, right? So this is the last final day of this. I'm going to probably go and try to do something to get, okay, yeah. So this is the launch contest, the overall, there's 12 hours left right here. This is 1,000. There's actually been over 2,000 sales of this right here, $50,000 plus made on this launch. And this is just an information product, like a course. This isn't even software. And look at all these affiliates that are selling, like 65 people have made money selling this, right? And yours truly, I'm right up here and I'm ranked number 15, which that's cool and all, right? But I know that I could be up here with these guys over here and I could have doubled my profits right over here. I could have been like right over here probably, okay? But I didn't hop on soon enough and I didn't get ahead. And I also launched and did a review video and I didn't even do a bonus. I always create bonuses, but I didn't have the time to, so I wasn't able to create a bonus for this. And so my sales were lacking big time. So what did I do? I went and I followed up and I created another video. I went over the one-time offers and I went over a little bit more in detail the product and so forth. And I also created a unique bonus that I offered to my audience. And so then what do? I quadrupled my sales, right? I quadrupled my sales. I went from $100 from the first day to $400 and almost $460 now at a 19% conversion rate right there. So we were able to recover and do pretty well with the launch from this strategy right over here. Okay. And I'll just go into transactions, and you'll be able to see right over here that, I created that video number 2. So video number 2 produced all these results, and then email 2, right? So when I send out the email, I send a link to watch video 2, and I send out a tracking code directly to the product. And so you can see that email 2 was very much worth my while. Video 2, email 2, look at all those sales that resulted from that. The second day of promotions where I made about probably $300 from that. Okay. So that's really cool. That's the strategy. Okay. So you're going to find products, and now I'm going to show you exactly, now that you have the proof that this works, you can make money from this. I'm going to show you how you can actually go out there and find products on Warrior Plus and JVC. So you're going to go over to the site called Munchine, and there's some other sites as well, but I just like this one. This is the one that's been around forever, and it just lays it out really nicely for us. And so this is, May 6th, and I'd come in here, I would go and look and see like what stands out. Do I know any of these people? And that's what I would first off do, right? So I would go through, I would look at all these people right over here, and, let's just say I do know James Renoff and his products, and, it's like a give and take. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're iffy, but one thing's for sure is that he has big launches with Max Gerstenmaier and James Renoff. They do have really big launches. And so you would go over here, you'd grab your affiliate link, right? And I'm going to go over here and see how well their launch is going so far. So they've had 50 sales right over here. They do have an affiliate contest, so you have Jonah Armstrong, Dave Espino, Robin Palmer. So they only have 5 affiliates that are selling the product right now, and they've already done some decent sales already. Okay. So that's kind of what I do. A lot of times I like to go, obviously he's got his accolades, he's a top 5% vendor. He's a top affiliate and stuff. So we can go over here and click on his name. And this is what I recommend doing. This is how you pick out good winning products, is you go and you find out like, okay, so what's their rating? So he's got a good rating. Anything 3-star or above on Warrior Plus is good, in my opinion. But the products, typically when people review products, unfortunately, a lot of times it's people that didn't like the product for whatever reason, and they give the bad reviews. But generally, this guy's made 203,000 sales, which is just nuts. 203,000 sales that's just incredible. And he usually always gets 250 or up to 500 sales. Sometimes he'll get 1,000 sales depending on, what it is, and so forth. So I'd go over here and let's just say, I like this product. And I think that, okay, secret clicks. And, and then they honestly reach out to me on this launch. They wanted me to launch it and go for it. I'm not going to do that on this launch. But what you could do is you can go over here and look at the sales page. Okay, so now I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So let's just say we pick out this product. It's a good product. That's what we want to go with. Okay, so now we need to create a high quality launch jacking campaign around this great product, right, that we found. So we're going to go over here. We're going to pick out this whole sales page right over here. Now we can copy this link, or what I like to do is just do a Control A and just copy the entire, page right there like that, right? And then what I'm going to show you to do is inside my school community. Now you can come in right now, it's on a flash sale. You can get in this normally $47 per month. You can get in for just $99 for the entire year right now. If you're seeing this video on May 6th, come join and learn all the ins and outs. If you're getting massive value from just my public YouTube videos, then just imagine what you're going to get inside of my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. Okay, so I'm going to go into the classroom. You get all this. We have live calls, coaching calls. I can help you with your YouTube channel. I can help you with affiliate marketing. I've got an entire launch jacking course, the YouTube affiliate blueprint right over here, how to create courses and sell them, case studies, building YouTube channels from scratch. I've got all kinds of good stuff in here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the GPT affiliate custom bots, and I'm going to use this one right over here that I created, affiliate product launch video content planner. So you tell it exactly what to do. And you basically, I'm going to go and access this right here. And so what you're going to end up doing is we're going to go ahead and just paste this in right here. Okay. We're going to paste that information that we got from the sales page over here. We're going to go into our GPT, and then I'm going to say go. So that's all we have to do. That's all we have to do, guys. And now this is going to go out there and create, it's going to talk about the customer pain points to target. This can help you write your email that you're going to send out to your customers or your subscribers on your email list. It's going through exactly what the pain points are and what the product actually solves, right? So then we're going to come through here, main product solution angles, YouTube launch count. So it dissects the product, and now it's going to go out there and it's going to give us our YouTube launch content plan. So video 1 is going to be our review and bonuses. The goal is to capture buyers searching for a final decision, give an honest walkthrough, what it does, who it is for, who should skip it, and your affiliate bonuses. Check the link below for secret clicks engines bonuses right there. Okay. So video 2, pricing and OTOs, right? So it's going to do all that for us. So it maps this all out in steps and micro steps. And then when it has dissected all that, and it's going to go through all this, we have 10 videos that we could create around this entire launch so we can dominate the leaderboard, right? And I've done this before several times. And now here is your launch method and launch calendar right here. You're going to do secret clicks engine review and bonuses. That is the perfect video to start off. And then you can use all these other videos if you can create as many of those as you can. And you're going to put your link to your review video and your affiliate link in every single one of these videos. It's going to help rank this one even further. And then it's also going to get chances to get clicks to your review video and everything as well, right? So you've got that. You've got your content plan right here. It's going to literally tell you, okay, now go over the pricing and one-time offers. Go over how this uncovers hidden buyer traffic. Talk about that for 5 minutes in your video, right? Secret Click Engines ends the social media grind. And then right here, gets free clicks without ads, right? Look, all these ones right here. So these 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, they intentionally do not have the name. So you're going to dominate for the name Secret Clicks Engine, right? You're going to dominate for that on YouTube and for search engine traffic. But then you're going to have a chance to get a lot more views as well by not putting the product in the title, but still talking about it in your video. This is going to be what I call viral type of videos or recommended type videos. So you have your entire content plan. It doesn't get any better than this. This is just perfect. Okay. So you're going to use that to create your launch campaign for your product launch. Okay. Now you're going to build an email list up every time someone purchases the link. I'm not going to go over that in this video, but you're going to create a bonus. And inside of the school community, come and join. I have an affiliate bonus builder right here. You'll click on this and you'll drop that same link, sales page link in here, and it will tell you exactly what bonuses. It'll tell you which ones are easy to create, ones that you could create with AI, some that will take maybe recording a video or will take a little bit more effort, but this will tell you what like 10 or more of bonuses that you can create specifically for this launch. And that's what gets people to buy, is when you create bonuses that are specifically solutions and they're specifically fresh and custom, that you're not just taking bonuses that you created a long time ago or bonuses that don't really match with the product itself. And then you create these bonuses as well. You put the time in and people will literally go out bonus hunting. And that's one of the reasons why we come back over here, why I'm not further up on the leaderboard, because I didn't create a bonus, and I normally create bonuses. Okay. So you could use affiliate bonus builder, and you have access to all these inside of the YouTube affiliate accelerator. You have access to all these GPTs, custom GPTs from somebody that's been doing this for 5.5 years full time and made over $700,000 with affiliate marketing on YouTube. You can learn from somebody that actually goes out there and, leads by example and does this on a daily basis for their job. Okay. So you're going to build up your email list. Every time someone purchases your link, you're actually going to capture their email. And I show you how to do that inside all my training. And so that now it starts snowballing every time. Let's say you make 5 sales. Well, you have 5 people that you can email this next time, right? And then you maybe make another 5, 6, 7 sales the next time, right? You do this for a month. You have 100 people on your email list that now you're emailing them, right? They like your content. You do really good reviews. And then you start, and then you can see my conversion rates, how they're so high as well. Okay. And then you're going to email your list when you do a review of a new product, right? You're going to rinse and repeat. You're going to go find another product. You're going to create a fresh bonus for it. You're going to put all that together. Then you're going to go out and you're going to follow the content plan. You're going to create your review video, and you're going to do as many of these as you can, right? Don't make a big deal out of it. Don't be a perfectionist. Just push record your videos. You don't have to be on camera like I am right now. Just record your screen and talk into the mic and give valuable information out. And you're going to get views because there's a lot of traffic that's going to be going around to these nice launches right over here, because people are going to go to YouTube. People are going to be sent over and recommended via email, and then they're going to go over to YouTube and search for secret clicks engine, and your videos are going to start popping up. And when they start seeing that you're somebody that's actually not using AI to create your videos, but you're actually a real human, a real voice, and you're giving a real value, those are the people that actually win. Okay. And so you're going to continue to make sales. You're going to build your email list. You're going to have more people to send, and you're going to continue to rinse and repeat. That's the game, guys. It's literally the game. That's the 10K formula. It's working right now. I show you all the proof. I show you the money that I'm making right here, 100% from affiliate marketing right there. Remember, if you want all these tools right over here, and you want to be able to get on 2 live calls per month, you want to be in a community with people that are like-minded and doing this, we can go over here to the quick wins. People are sharing, Brett made a $3.40 commission. We laughed about it, but he still shared it, right? The other day I recorded 4 videos by 11 a.m. I shared that, right? You have, another test right over here that I'm doing on another YouTube channel. I got 41,000 long form views the last 28 days. We got Gary that just shared his $156 commission right there as well. I was watching TV last month and got a $140 commission while watching TV. So we have a leaderboard of really great community. Come join it. And normally it's $47 or like $300 and something dollars per year, or you can come in right now while it's open for $99. Come join. I'll see you in the next video.